I want to say welcome to you to this complete CapCut mastery course, where you would go from a total beginner to a confident, creative video editor. Whether you are making videos for social media, your business, your personal project, this course will give you the skills to make your ideas come to life. My name is Jefta Isemuru and I will be your instructor for this journey. In this CapCut mastery course, I will walk you step by step through every single feature that you need to know in CapCut, both on mobile and desktop, so that by the end of this training, you will understand how to edit videos that look professional and grab attention. Here is what we'll be covering together in this CapCut mastery course. Getting familiar with CapCut's interface on both mobile and desktop, basic editing techniques like cutting, trimming, adding text and transitions, creative effects, keyframes, masking and overlays, audio editing and perfect music sync, color grading to give your videos a cinematic look, storytelling techniques that make your edits more engaging, advanced tools like green screen, motion tracking and speed ramping, and finally exporting your videos in the best quality for different platforms. I have designed each lesson to be short, clear and very practical. You will see my screen as I walk you through the exact steps, and so you can follow along in your own CapCut app. One reason why I decided to make these pre-recorded videos is to enable you learn at your own pace. So if you have missed any part of the video, please feel free to rewind the video and continue from where you missed. I would highly recommend that you watch every part of these lessons because they are all important in helping you becoming a professional in using CapCut. So without wasting any more time guys, let's get started. In the next lesson, we'll be opening CapCut for the very first time and exploring the interface. I will see you in that next lesson.